This Gayatri Mantra, Annama Gayatri Mantra, how it came to me, I want to tell you in brief. During 98 and 2000 years, I used to get up early in the morning, like 2:30 or 3:30, as if somebody woke me up. And I just used to have a glass of hot water. I used to wake up this boy, my God-given son Ramana, and he used to give me a glass of water, take it and then hold the pen. And I never inclined or intended to write anything like Annama Gayatri or Annamaya Stotram or Suprabhatam. Those things just flowed. I don't know Sanskrit. I don't know much of Sanskrit. I have Samskrita Gandham antaru chudandi. A touch of it I have, but I am not proficient. But this Annama Gayatri came, and Annamaya Stotram followed, and Annamacharya Suprabhatam, everything came. And I took all of them to one Sri Prahlada Sharma Garu. These are the things that have come. He corrected Suprabhatam. Corrected in the sense, I gave him the gist, he wrote almost. This Annama Gayatri and Ashtotram, he said, they are perfect. They are God's prasadam. Keep singing in your concert, he said. So ever since he said that, I have been singing Annama Gayatri in my concerts. Previously I used to sing that slokam, Srimat Tvadiye Charitamritamannayarya. Later on I switched over to this, where there is time I sing both. So this is Sri Nandakaya Vidmahi. So can anybody tell me, have you seen Lord Venkateshwara, at least the picture from close angle? Did you observe a big swirl from his navel to the toe? Very big swirl. Did you? Very big swirl from his navel to toe. Do you know the name of this swirl? Do you know the name of the swirl? Nandakam. Very good. Yeah, Sri Nandakam is the name of his swirl. When the parents, kids, please listen to me, I am telling you a real story in brief. Annamacharya's parents did not have children for a long time. Their names were like Lakkamamba and Narayanasuri. What are they? Both of them stood at the Garuda Gambham. You know Garuda Stambham? It's a tall pillar before a temple, right? Very tall pillar will be there. Garuda Stambham we say. They stood there. It's like an antenna. The pillar carries our prayers to the cosmic being and brings back blessings to us. That's why we stand for a while and pray there. So they stood there and they thought of Lord Venkateshwara. They meditated. And an energy from Lord Venkateshwara's sword came and went into the womb of Lakkamamba. You might have seen in films or something a knife coming and just stabbing the stomach of Lakkamamba. It did not happen that way. The energy, the light from Sri Nandaka came and entered the womb of Lakkamamba. That's how Annamacharya was born, with the energy of Sri Nandaka. Okay? And Swami, Srinandakaya Vidmahi means I am trying to know the incarnation of Srinandaka. I am trying to realize the energy of Srinandaka. Who is the incarnation of Srinandaka? Annamacharya himself. Srinandakaya Vidmahi. I am trying to realize the energy of Srinandaka. Srisha Dasaya Dhimahi. Sri means Lakshmi. Srisha, Sri Isha. Sri's Isha, Sri's boss, Sri's husband. Who is that? Sri Mahavishnu. Lord Venkateshwara. Sri, we say Sri, Srisha, Dasaya. Their servant, their devotee. There is no greater devotee to Lord Venkateshwara than Annamacharya. You know why? He expected nothing from Lord, but all his life was dedicated for the Lord. He didn't. We break a coconut and ask for Lord's wounds, right? Give me promotion, give me children, give me visa to America, so many things. But he said, I want only you, Swami. Nothing. He didn't ask anything from God. All his talents, his life, his property, everything was given to Lord Venkateshwara. There can't be a greater devotee than Annamacharya to Lord. And there is no one else who illustrated the form of Lord Venkateshwara as beautifully, as broadly, as elaborately as Annamaya did. You know why? He is the very incarnation of Lord Venkateshwara. I know about myself and I can tell you what are my plus, what are minus, and everything, my attitudes, everything I can speak. But if you have to speak about me, there will be limitations always. Because Annamacharya came from Lord Venkateshwara, Amsalo Janminchadu Kabatti, he could speak about him, he could sing about him so beautifully, so clearly, so infinitely. He gave the true form of Lord Venkateshwara. Okay? So Srisha Dasaya Dhimahi. I am trying to place Srisha Dasa in my mind. I am trying to realize him. I am trying to place him in my mind. Tannaha Annama Prachodayat. That Annamacharya. Tannaha Annama Prachodayat. May he enlighten me. May he come into me. So, when you chant this Annama Gayatri, the Srinandaka energy, the blessing of Lord Venkateshwara, the blessing of Sri Mahalakshmi are instantly pouring in you. Only the thing is, the keyboard is there. If I don't attach the plug, that will not play. Though he plays all the background, it will not be audible. Unless you connect to the power, right? You need to connect to the power and chant this. Then the blessing will flow in. Okay? So every day, please do chant 3 times a day, this thing. After you take bath, 3 times you chant. If you have time, 11 times. If you have still more time, 108 times. If you have much time, 1008 times. The more you chant, the more power, health, vigor you get. Okay? Even the sharpness you get. If I teach once, you'll be able to grasp. You get the sharpness of mind because you are Srinandaka, sharp. Okay? Can you chant one more time with the understanding of mantra now, with devotion and love? లేదు. అది don't keep open your mouth for a long. Don't open at all. See, Tanno Nama Pra Nama Pra Tanno Nama Pra. Okay, Tanno Nama Prachodayat. Good. Now we'll go to this song. Sa re ma pa ni sa. Sa re ma pa ni sa. Sa ni pa da ni pa ma re ga re sa. Sa ni pa da ni pa ma re ga re sa. Sa re ma pa ni sa. Sa re ma pa ni sa. Sa ni pa da ni pa ma re ga re sa. Sa ni pa da ni pa ma re ga re sa. Now you can sing up to first charanam, right? So with music, shall we see that? With music, we have first music. So I'm requesting Raju Garu, before my concert, you need to perform 2 songs. I'll select them after the course is over. On 17th is the program, right? But all of you sing 2 songs, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4.